Next, we are going to see one of the VMS more powerful abilities. We are going to see how to create different action for different events that are happening. So we're going to go into the Alarm Center, into Alarm Linkage. Over here we can see all of our areas and the devices inside. We can see NVR Israel with all of the cameras that are connected to that NVR, and we can see another NVR with all of its cameras. So we're going to start with something really simple, with a simple motion detection. So let's say that we want to create a trigger, an action, okay, in response to a motion detection. So we can go ahead and choose one of the cameras, and we can pick the action that we want, if we want to create audio or PTZ control or any other action that we have here. So let's say alarm view. Alarm view is basically the pop-up. It gives us a pop-up with the chosen cameras in response to a motion from the cameras that we choose. So we don't want to choose only one camera, let's choose all of them. We're gonna go into the alarm view, we're gonna point that arrow and choose the cameras that we want to see in response. Remember that now we have chosen all of the cameras. So let's choose 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I chose 5. Yes, I did. Let's take one of them out. And I tick the on option, of course, right here, and press OK. Okay, so we have all of those cameras on, but it's not enough. Of course, we need to create a schedule. Okay, so let's choose this arrow all over again in order to choose all of the cameras, and we pick a 24/7 schedule for all of the cameras. As soon as I press apply, we will get immediately a pop-up with the 4 cameras that we've chosen. So let's wait for it for a few seconds and we can see it. So this is the pop-up window. We can see the cameras that we've chosen with a message: NVR, do the room, second floor, the name of the camera, and channel motion detection. Okay, so basically we can see that there was a motion on second floor camera, and we get to see the video channel that we have chosen. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to cancel it really quick because it will keep on jumping all over and over again. Let's press yes. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Now let's go for more complex setting. So in this case, I'm going to choose the face detection. And before we start, I want you to see when we go into the face recognition, I'm going to choose one of the cameras in the NVR area, and the camera is this one, the DMA 340 IPES. I'm going to drag it into here. So this camera is actually next to me. Whenever it recognizes a face, the face will show here. Let's first check that it works. The face is supposed to be on the bottom. Okay. I see the face. I know that the face detection is working. Everything is set on the NVR side. So let's, we even have a recognition on the right side. So now we can close it and continue with the alarm center. So we've chosen the face detection. We are going to choose the camera that we have just saw, DMA 340 IPE, eyesight V2 camera. And now we're going to choose something different. Of course, we're going to choose also the alarm view, and in this case, we're going to choose the same camera, NVR, the DMA 340 IP, which is supposed to be somewhere here. There it is. Okay. We move it to the right side, we press on and OK. So we're still on the same camera, we press on, and I want also voice broadcast. Okay. So voice broadcast, we are choosing the NVR. The NVR is actually broadcasting the sound. We choose the file. Out of these 3, we can upload many different files. We can have tons of different files on our VMS, and we can choose every file that we want. So in this case, we're going to take this sample file. We're going to press on, of course, and press OK. So lock and load it. We are ready to go. As soon as I press apply and go into the face recognition, just to make sure that we see it on the same time, 340 IPE. Okay, now let's see and hear the result. So as soon as my face been detected. We get the alarm view, and we hear the message that was on that file. So in this case, it was a guitar, but of course, you can get a different message, an alarm message, or a welcome message, or whatever you want message, and you can send it into a different NVR. Just a reminder, we just created a trigger from NVR do the room, which is NVR number 1, and the trigger, the sound, was heard from a different NVR altogether. You can do it not only from LAN, as I just did, you can do it also in one. Thank you.